Today I have a new product to show off, something that's not even on the market yet, as the pre-release prototypes I have go on sale. I think it's like November 15th, somewhere in there, but let's just check these new buds out. I'd like to introduce the newest set of Bluetooth earbuds from a company called FUNCL. Now this is a brand new product. These are not, as of the time that this video was made, these are not on the market yet. The two that I have here to show you today, these are both prototype units. So this will be coming to market. They're very inexpensive. This will be coming to market very soon. But I have a couple of pre-release models I'm going to show you. On the left here I have the AI model, and on the right I have the model W1. Priced between $49 and $69, the FUNCL AI is the most affordable aptX headphone on the market, providing high quality sound and very low latency of less than 80 milliseconds. The FUNCL W1 is a true wireless headphone with a price between $19 and $29. Powered by Bluetooth 5.0, easy touch buttons, and 18-hour total battery life, which could only be found on other wireless headphones with a price tag of over $100. So let's take a look. First of all, look at the AI series. So let's open these up and take a look at what's in the box. So we have an instruction manual, and we have the charge case, and in the package we have a USB charge cord and different size ear pieces for people with different sizes and shapes of ears, so that it'll fit anybody's ears. We open up the unit itself. This is actually the charging case. This has a battery in it and will charge the headphones up. You charge this by plugging it into your USB charger, and that will charge the internal battery that's inside the charge case. Opening them up, we see our two earbuds. Now I've already had this open, so I don't have to take off the there's a insulator that's placed over the charge contacts here, because of course these are also have batteries in them. So I've already taken them off, but when they sit in the charge case, they will charge up automatically. You'll see a light, you might see it here. Light will flash to indicate that the battery is fully charged. It's red when they're charging, and then it turns white when they're charged. So they charge in the case. So you can carry them in your pocket and they're charged up, and the battery in here will charge them multiple times, and when the battery is weak, you just charge these up. To hook these up to your phone, very, very simple. I'll get my Android phone out here that I'll use, and I just remove the earpieces from the case, and they automatically go into pairing mode. And if I go into my settings, scan, there it is, FUNCL AI. Click on here, it's now paired. I'm now connected, and that's how simple it is. It's connected for call and media audio. I just simply put the earbuds into my ears, and when I play media from my phone, I will hear it in excellent sound quality through these headphones. I can't hear myself speaking now because the music's playing quite loud in these headsets. Sound quality is excellent, and you can barely see these things, and these have a built-in microphone. So I just tap the right one there. What that does is that actually puts it in pause. Now how they operate is if I tap the right one, I'll start play and pause with the music. If I tap it twice, it'll skip ahead to the next song. So as you can see here, if I'm skip twice or tap twice, it will actually change the song on my phone. If I tap it 3 times, it'll go back to the previous song. Tap it twice, goes forward. Tap it once, it puts it in pause. The left earbud is used for call control. So if a phone call comes in, I just tap it once to answer the call, tap it again to end the call. That's how simple these things are to operate. Very, very simple to set them up and operate them. They pair themselves, and then they will automatically pair to your device every time you put them on. Now, how do you turn them on and off? Well, you take them out of your ears and you put them into the case. That's what turns them off. If I got music playing now in my headset, if I take the buds out, plug them back into the case. They will disconnect. Now that they're off, they will disconnect, and the sound should switch back to my phone momentarily. Oh, it looks like it has. It's paused. So I just tap.
But it must be moving on.
Right, now it's playing. Obviously, going to shut that off. Take them out, and they will both turn on and automatically pair. Now you can use them in 2 or 1 ear mode. So if I only take one of them out and I only put one in my ear, now it's going to pair just to the one device. I'm just waiting for it to pair. It should take only a few seconds here, and it should pair automatically. Which it has, because I've now got it playing in my ear. As you can hear, if I take the earpiece out, hold it over the camera mic, you can hear it playing there. They do have voice prompts, so if I disconnect it, it says disconnected in English or connected. And it's not the normal Chinese voice that's it's not like those other ones that would say, the Bluetooth device is connected, or whatever, how it said it. But you know the ones I'm talking about, the cheap Bluetooth boards that we've looked at in the past, which have a really poor sounding voice. These ones actually sound normal. It says connected or disconnected. Very clear English. The other ones, these ones here I have here, which I'll show you momentarily, these ones don't have the English instructions. They just have beeps for now, but that's also was highlighted in the reviewer's instructions that I got, that was telling me that the W1, it says here, this is the notifications that I get. It says the status tones are not finalized. The mass-produced versions will come with English instruction tones, just like these ones have right now. Right now, the other ones, the W ones, just have tones that indicate whether you're connected or disconnected, because these are prototypes. They've made about 1,000 units of the production pilot run. So these are part of the production pilot run. They made 1,000 units. This is one pair of them, of each of the models here. And once they've got there's still a few bugs, they say, that haven't been finalized, and those will all be finalized when they start shipping these out. But they wanted to get the production or the pre-production ones out to the reviewers, such as myself, so that I can show you guys what these things look like. And I'm actually quite stoked, because the sound quality of these is excellent. You know, and I'm probably going to take a pair of these and use them at work, because I'm allowed to have a Bluetooth headset for my phone, but I can't wear headphones. So guess what? Because this can operate in single Bluetooth mode, I'm going to pair this to my work phone and use it while I'm at work, because then I'll be able to use my phone in the vehicle while I'm driving, because we have to use Bluetooth. So this is going to come in real handy, because something like this I can put in my ear and it's going to stay there, and I'm not going to have to worry about it, because we can't wear wired headsets and we can't wear, you know, over the ear headphones. So I think I'm going to get a fair bit of use out of these, and I'm going to have a long time to actually trial these and make sure that they are actually functional. And but everything that I've tried so far on them, they work great. Let's take a look at the other ones, the smaller pair, because these are the ones I actually like. I actually prefer these ones just from the ergonomic shape of them. So here's the W1 package. They work exactly the same. The charge case is a little bit smaller. And here they are here. All right, these ones cute. Very small. Put them in your ears, and you're good to go. So let's pair. I'm going to unpair these ones, and we'll pair these ones. So to unpair, I'm just going to go into my settings. Going to go into my connections. Try the right one. Connections. Bluetooth. And I'm just going to take the AI units and unpair them. So there we go. It is now unpaired. Okay. Of course it can't connect because they're in the case and they're unpaired. We'll take out the next set, and we'll turn these ones on by removing them from the magnetic holder. The lights turn white to indicate that they are not yet paired. You see the little white lights there. Okay, they're in pairing mode now, and I should see them when I hit scan on my phone. I should see these ones show FUNCL F1, which are, sorry, W1. So there they are, the FUNCL W1s. I click on there. The lights will stop flashing once it's paired. Connecting, and now the lights stop blinking because We're now paired. Again, work the same way. You've got a right and a left. They're marked on the actual earbud itself, which is the left and which is the right. The right side controls your music playback, and the left one controls answering your calls. And as you can see, these ones pretty much disappear into your ears. Very discreet. And they're very comfortable to wear. You don't even notice that you've got these in your ears. Very good. I like them. Very good, comfortable design. Like the AI series, the W1 series, if you tap the right earbud twice, you skip ahead to the next song. If I tap it 3 times, it goes back to the previous song. As you can see here, here's the earbud. I've just taken it out. Tap it twice, moves to the next track. Tap it 3 times, moves back to the previous track. Tap it once, it pauses. Tap it again, it plays. The left earbud is used to control the phone when you're answering phone calls. Tap it once to receive a call. Tap it twice, or tap and hold to reject a call. Tap it twice to switch calls. I believe that's what the instructions said on here. So if I phone myself, I should be able to answer it. Let me just do that. I'm just going to phone myself, and we'll see how well it works. I'm just going to dial my number here. Phoning from such a thing called a landline. So, there. My phone is now ringing. If I tap it once, it will answer the phone. Okay, I've now just answered. I can hear myself coming over my speakerphone, or coming from my landline phone. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me or not. I'll put the landline phone over top of the camera. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it does definitely work, and the sound quality is good. It's quite loud, so that's working good. If I just tap the left earbud once, it should hang up, which it has, and it will now return to music. I just have to tap the right earbud, and that'll bring the music back, which it has.
Both units have excellent sound. However, I personally do like the sound of the AI a little bit better.
So that's the operation. Not much else I can show you. I can't show you guys, or I can't show you how good the sound quality is, because I have no way of recording from such small little earbuds like this. The only thing that I can see that could be an issue is picking them up. You're actually hitting the button to turn it on and off. So you got to put them in your ears before you tap the button. Otherwise, you're turning them on and off, or you're starting and stopping the music playback. But hey, they're great. That's about all I can show you on these. 2 new products from FUNCL, the W1 and the AI. There they are. To shut them off, just put them back in the charge case, and they're charged up, ready for the next time you want to use them. Thanks for watching.